Hi, my name is Lor-Rae Raus. I'm so happy to have you here at Authorized Back and Sew. I'm one of the instructors. I've been here about a year. I started quilting in the 70s, so I've been quilting for a very long time. Started out with garment making. We have wonderful classes. I hope you'll sign up. This is my first class. It's called Undercover by Annie. It's for your sewing machine. It's great. It has lots of pockets. It's got a mesh pocket here. It's got a place for your table that slides in here and another zipper pocket over here. So it's quite versatile. It comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. This is the large size. So when you come in, you can kind of see that it fits the 7 series Berninas. The medium fits the 5 series and the small fits the 3 series. But there's also a calculation page that you can bring in your measurements of your machine and we'll fit it to your machine. This project is a fanny pack by Sally Tomato. If you've done any Sally Tomato designs, her construction is impeccable. It's so nicely put together. Now you may think, ooh, fanny pack, that's kind of old. But here is the new way to wear your fanny pack, okay? Personally, on the fanny, don't need that attention. So this is how Louis Vuitton shows his fanny pack. So this is our fanny pack in large. It comes in small, medium, and large. And we will learn how to insert these zippers, super easy. There's 2 zippers. I think if I were to do it again, I would probably do the medium. This is a little big, but you can decide. You can come in and see the fanny pack and decide what size you want. I did this one out of canvas, but it can be done out of regular cotton fabric too. Are you looking for a great fun project? This is called Zip It Up, and it is fun and easy. It is a by Annie pattern. And you can see it's just a neat little case for carrying your scissors or your notions or a small project. It is got a long zipper that was very easy to insert. Rounded bottom. Super fun project. Hi everyone, this is for my paper piecing buddies. We have been doing paper piecing for the last year in different classes, and this is the newest one. This is a curved paper piecing, but it was very easy with the technique that I'll show you. Now for this table runner, I used batik fabrics, and I just used a variety, but you could use any type of fabric, cotton fabric. You can even plan this so it's not quite so scrappy looking for those of you that like more precision. But it was a fun quilt to do. The back I just used leftover fabrics, bound it, and you have a table runner for your table. This project is great for taking your rulers and your mat to class. The bag is the size for an 18 by 24 mat, and it has pockets all over the place for your rulers and some on the inside for your smaller rulers. You can also throw some fabric in there. I mean, it's a pretty big bag. I did mine out of canvas, and we have some beautiful canvas fabrics that would just look great in this bag, but it'll be a must-have for class. Okay, this quilt is called Open Options. It is super simple. I know you hear teachers say all the time, oh, this is so easy, it's so easy. But honestly, this one is easy. Here's the block, and you put 2 10-inch squares together. You cut here, you sew it back together, then you cut here and you sew it back together, and voila, you have these blocks. This quilt is a 2-color quilt, but I've seen it scrappy too. So you could go onto Pinterest and click and search for Open Options, and it'll give you a variety of fabrics that you can use. This is batiks and then our cotton tone on tone. But anything goes. You could really do anything with this quilt. when you get ready to, when you finish your blocks and you get ready to put them together, this pattern has many different options for you. So it'll be fun to put them all together. I had my girlfriends pick their favorite layout, and then I chose the one I wanted. So it'll be a fun class. We'll be at quilt top only. I don't think that we'll get to quilting and all that, but you'll have a nice top ready to go. If you notice, there's no matching except when you get ready to do your blocks. So we'll take time to do our matching corners. Other than that, everything is really easy.